What's up guys, this is MeCoWhy again, and today we're going to work on my SRX again. So here's the story. Today is Monday evening on the week of Thanksgiving. We will be traveling to New York City for the Thanksgiving, which means Wednesday morning we are hitting the road. And this morning when I got into the car, I started the engine and I got blinking check engine light. I immediately stopped the engine, pulled the codes, and I had cylinder 2 misfire. Since I'm going to put, I don't even know, 600-700 miles each way, so we're talking anywhere between 12 and 1400 miles on my trip to New York, I rather replace the coil pack. So in today's video we are going to replace a coil pack on cylinder number 2, as well as we will do a quick tune-up, which is replacement of all the spark plugs on the entire engine. So I hope you will enjoy the video. Before we start, let me show you the codes. So that's another reason why I love this application, because you have saved reports and you can actually go to the most recent reading. So you can see November 19th, 6:26 a.m. and I had one pending code, P0302, cylinder 2 misfire detected. This was the one that caused my blinking check engine light. Cylinder 2 misfire detected. By the way, I put 50 miles or even 60 miles since this code appeared, and never came back. Engine ran fine, although on Saturday, so that would be 2 days ago, when the car was idling for about 10 minutes, I was sitting in the car waiting for my kids. I could feel a little bit of vibration, a little bit misfiring going on, so I think that's related, although the check engine light never came up. So let's pop the hood. So first we have to pull the engine cover. We are using 10mm socket. Now you have to undo this, pull the cover behind, take the oil cap. Okay, let's put the oil cap back on. Okay, so now the cylinder numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so in order to access the rear bank, we have to remove the manifold. So I can pull this off. We have some electrical connection here and here. Okay, so we can unplug all this stuff so it's not in our way. Now we have easy access to the manifold. Have an each socket. So actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. number 1. This is number 2. Okay. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. Cylinder number 2, we're going to put a new coil pack. We'll keep this one just in case. At this point, batteries in both of my cameras died. So unfortunately, I cannot show you the process how I reassembled the intake manifold. But as they say, installation is the reversal of removal. So basically follow the steps and put everything back together. However, pay attention when you're torquing down those long bolts for the intake manifold. I screwed that part off. Apparently on the last bolt couldn't get the click on my torque wrench. I don't know why, but I ended up breaking that bolt. Well, the car works fine on 5. I had to leave to New York the next day, and the bolt was a special order part. So I ended up putting 1500 miles on the car, with only 5 bolts on the manifold. Actually, there is still 5 installed. I haven't had time to replace the broken one, but there is not a single leak. Everything works fine. I don't have any codes. The car works well. I don't have any vacuum leaks. So I'm lucky. But pay attention, because you know, getting those broken bolts out of the head can be challenging. And actually, I'll be showing you in one of my next videos how I go about removing it. Well, I guess that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. See ya, guys.